Hi, my name is Kilobyte, and I'm with Casa Azul Productions. In this free online course, Casa Azul will teach you how to create your own website. If you have a passion for design, photography, writing, or any other form of creative expression, then creating your own website will be an exciting challenge. So why is it important to have a website? A website can lead to a new and less expensive marketing opportunities. Here are some of the benefits of having a website. Websites are a great way to showcase your hobby to people everywhere. There are plenty of ways to do this, like writing a blog, or sharing your home-cooked recipes, or taking care of pet animals. Learning to design a webpage will give you the skills to design them professionally for other businesses, while developing another source of income for yourself. You could start by providing the service to local businesses in your community. To take part in this course, it is very important to sign up and create a profile. This way you can earn points and advance to higher levels. If you have done this already, congratulations! The most important point we are making here is that a webpage is completely virtual. That means anyone in the world can visit yours. But wait, here is an added bonus. This course allows you to earn points during the sessions, which are redeemable for prizes.